Sup, back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here is Hamilton Northwestern Railroad. Third one. I missed last night's run because of a busy day at fishing on the Great Lakes to Lake Michigan. Anywho, we are here once again filming Hamilton Western Railroad. We filmed them Wednesday night and missed them last night, but we're catching them again with another set of BNSF and mixed empty grain cars that got unloaded at Fillmore. Now heading back to CXX Interchange in Waverly Yard. Here we go. Here he is right now. There goes the lights. There they go. It's like 5 cars. 5, 6 cars right there. Here we go. Grain cars, empty grain, by the way. Quite odd. Yeah, so we were loaded, but once again they unloaded them at Fillmore. 6, same as last night's. This time 6 BNSF, empty grains, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Ralph and Landon out. Sup, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern right now. Here we go. It's right there, guys. 2 cars, that's it. One more plastic pellet or whatever grain car for Hamilton Northwestern. There he is right now. There he is. Those are the gates right there. There they go. Gates are going down. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Ralph and Landon out. So, back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern Railroad right now. Here we go. Rain right now, guys. Here we go. Slowly sun sets. Here's a train right now. Here we go. Here's the train right there. There it is. Two cars with 2 engines right now. Here we go. ripping it down this road. Holy smokes. There's a train. Guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. That's our Rail Fan Landon out.